from being washed downstream, so they're watching.
Yes, and it will be a concern for the foreseeable future because obviously with those burn scar areas much more susceptible to a whole lot of water flow. Meanwhile, the rest of us just hope for the rain, and we get close in spots here. And Cloudcroft today, some great looking clouds. We didn't see a whole lot in the way of showers here today, but still some pretty ominous looking clouds at times. The same thing can't be said for Ruidoso. We have gotten some rain there, but this evening things are starting to calm down, but you can see the roads, a little bit of at least some water on the roads earlier, but now things have dried out nicely there, and going to be a nice evening. We do have some showers across a good portion of the state, though not in the Albuquerque area, though. 87 degrees in the metro. Southwest winds 14 miles an hour. Temperatures for the most part 70s, 80s, and even some 90s across the north. And really what this shows us is it depends on where you are as far as how warm you got in relation to the showers. If you got some rain, you're nowhere near 100 degrees. But if you didn't, places like Tucumcari, Clayton, very warm. They didn't get wet. Clovis did get wet, 78 degrees. So that really gives you an idea where the rain fell. 73 in Gallup, 68 in Grants. Much, much cooler. Got some rain. Albuquerque, no rain, 87 degrees. So what we anticipate for tonight are more showers as a possibility. We're seeing some of them try to get going toward the valley, but we've been a little too dry right here in the valley to see a whole lot of shower activity, but there's still that possibility throughout the night tonight. So we'll hope for a little bit more, and we're starting to form some storms around Valencia County, and these are coming up from the south, so they do bear watching here in the metro area. Across the southeast, some spot showers. And over the northern mountains as well, some showers. Pretty good monsoon flow pattern in place with the moisture pushing up and through. Now, there's a little weather disturbance in here, which actually hurt us a little bit today. It's in western portions of the state and dried us out a shade here right in central sections. It's one of the fun things in dealing with weather forecasting. But there is still that possibility tonight that we can overwhelm some of that dry air and get some storms going here in and around the metro. Tomorrow, I don't think we're going to see quite as many storms across the area, but we're still going to see a pretty good afternoon crop of storms here across the metro and back toward eastern sections of the state. So you may see the character change a little bit. You guys in the west will go more isolated for storms. You guys in the east will have a better shot at getting storms. And then that high starts to close in on us toward the end of the work week. That's problematic because it sort of shuts down the moisture flow. Doesn't mean we're not going to have any showers, but what it means is we're going to have to use the moisture we already have in place. So while the western portions of the state were favored over the past couple of days, tomorrow southeast will see some showers and up through east central sections and across the northeast as well. Spot stuff in western sections. And then on Thursday, the overall scope and nature of the storm starts to change. The scope comes down, and we tend to see them focused over the mountains as well. This is a good indication that we're not drawing in as much moisture across the state as a whole. So definitely looking at the best of it over the past couple of days, because it will start to calm down a bit and will start to dry out a little bit heading toward the weekend. You'll see your temperatures go up as well. 87 Grants, 89 Farmington, 84 in Durango. Partly cloudy skies, and we will see the chance of showers through tomorrow, and then more of an isolated quick shower or two possible Thursday into Friday, but probably quiet around Farmington. 94 Lordsburg, 95 Deming, 88 Silver City. Plenty of rain yesterday. Spot storms possible over the next day or two, with temperatures mainly in the 80s and 90s. Over to the southeast, your chance goes up a little bit across southeastern New Mexico for tomorrow. From the Sacramento Mountains down through Roswell, chance at some showers out there the next couple of days. That will be a possibility. North and east, 91 Roy, 91 Springer, 94 in Santa Rosa. Partly cloudy with afternoon storms. Again, eastern half of the state gets a little better shot than what we saw today. But if you're close to the mountains, you've had a pretty good shot, and that'll continue into tomorrow. 75 Angel Fire, 86 in Taos, and 91 in Espanola. Increasing clouds, afternoon storms. In Santa Fe extended forecast. Chance at those storms highest over the next couple of days, then it starts to go down. 91 Tejares, 87 Cedar Crest, and 89 out in Estancia. Afternoon thunderstorms will pop up over the East Mountains especially. 93 in the Valley, 93 out in Rio Rancho, and 91 in the Heights. Scattered showers and partly cloudy skies. Extended forecast. Our best shot for showers really has been the past couple of days, and probably will extend into tomorrow, and then spot stuff Thursday into Friday.
All right, thanks, Mark.
Sports is next.
Ford. Drive